Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create this awesome animated video using Canva. Let's get started! First, open Canva and select Video. Choose your desired resolution. Here, I'll choose 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then head over to Guides, click to add one and drag it to 420 pixels. Add another one and drag it to 1500 pixels. These will help us align our design. Next, go to Elements, search for Grunge, then click on Photos. Filter by color. I'll go with yellow here, but feel free to choose any color you like. Select your favorite image. Crop it into a square and place it within the guides. Now repeat that step 3 more times, each with a different color if you want. Resize, crop, and position each square accordingly to create a neat layout. When you're done, go to Share, then Download. Choose PNG and increase the size for better quality. Once downloaded, upload that image back into Canva. Delete the elements from the current page, then drag in your new uploaded image. Scale it up and give it a slight rotation for a dynamic effect. Now it's time to bring in your dishes. Go to Uploads, and after you've uploaded your food images, remove their backgrounds and line them up on the right side of the page. Repeat this process for each image, ensuring that only a small portion of the transparency area of each image remains within the workspace. Let's add text. Click on the Text tool and type your message. Use the Zoom Rough Bold font, or any bold font you prefer. Change the font color to white. Then head over to Effects, choose Shadow, set it to the left, and bump the intensity up to 100%. Position your text on the left side of the page. Maintain a tiny portion of the transparency area of each text within the workspace, and repeat it for each text you have. Once all your text is ready, drag in the first plate image and place it inside the guides. Scale and rotate it slightly for style. Now, rotate your main image to match the layout, and adjust your text placement wherever it looks best. Duplicate this page, then on the new page, rotate the image again and adjust the first plate, maybe scale it down a bit and move it to the right. Bring in the second plate, resize and rotate it, and add your second line of text. Duplicate the page once more. Bring in your third plate, rotate it, position it creatively, and add your next piece of text. Keep repeating this process using your creativity. Each new dish gets its own page, placement, and style. For the outro page, duplicate the last page. Add your text, change the font and font color, then drag it to the top of the page and animate it like this. Add all food plates you have within the workspace, resize, scale, and position as you like. Once all your plates and text are in place, it's time to animate. Add a match and move transition between each page. Increase the duration if you want a slower pace, and apply it between all pages. Finally, click on the first page, set the timing to about 2 seconds, or more if you prefer, and then apply this timing to all pages. And that's it. Here's your final animated video. For the outro page, animate the food plates as you like. Here I'm using the Rotate Animation tool for all the plates. Here's your final animated video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canvas secrets and design tips. See you next time.